ตัวหน่อยนะครับสนับสนุนหน่อยนะครับ
คำสมิดา สวัสดีค่ะแต่กระเป๋าไม่มียาชอบไปแล้วชดา ผู้ชอบดาราไม่ดาวิกาอัมพัชราภาบินพิชยาบุ๋มบรรดามาอนภาเดยโชติกาอภิสดาอุลสยายาบินชนิดาปอยติชดาคิดโหวัง
มีหนังแดงแล้วจะกินหนังส่วงมีหนังส่วงแล้วจะกินหนังแดงแล้วกูไม่แรงแต่กูทำมึงม่วงชีกูไม่ม่วงแต่กูยังมีแรงว่าหัวแดงแล้วก็ทำหรือล่วงเอามึงไปคั่วอยู่ไงพี่แกงเดี๋ยวเธอท่ามาเดี๋ยวเธอท่าตั้งแข่งเอาไงกังวะไอ้เหี้ยมีหนังแดงแล้วจะกินหนังส่วงมีหนังส่วงแล้วจะกินหนังแดงมีหนังแดงแล้วจะกินหนังส่วงมีหนังส่วงแล้วจะกินหนังแดงมีหนังแดงแล้วจะกินหนังส่วงมีหนังส่วงแล้วจะกินหนังแดงมีหนังแดงแล้วจะกินหนังส่วงมีหนังส่วงแล้วจะกินหนังแดง
Good morning, everyone. I am your Miss Angela, who will be your instructor in Culture in America. Can you guys introduce yourself? You go first. Me? Yes, introduce yourself.
Good morning. My name is Mateo. Hello, good morning. My name is Mateo. Hello, good morning.
And now, let's start our lesson. Let's learn the culture of America and their habits. First is individualism. American people value independent and self-resilient. They expect you to make all decisions and hand-on responsibility by yourself. But that don't mean they unfriendly. They just a part of their culture of their freedom and responsibility. Second is value of time. American very time conscious. To be punctual is important. If you're late, maybe they think professional and they unprofessional. So OFW, you need to be hands-on on the making early 2 or 3 minutes, okay? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Third is direct communication. American people speak many dialects. They say what they mean, not loud and very sharp, but they still polite. No be offended na. They just wanna be clean and they respectful. Fourth is equality. Hey, are you guys listening? Hey, we're listening. Time is money, right? Yes. Okay. In America, they believe in equality. Man, woman, and God. So matter. Are you guys really listening? I have a question for you. And you too. What is their first American cultural and habit?
I know.
What?
First, happy of Americans to fix their accent.
No. That's very good,
Very good.
Six, privacy and personal space. American people like privilege, not like too many professional questions. Topic like salary, age, love life, not good for small talk. Also, they also like space. They don't stand too close, okay? Hey! What are you guys doing?
Isn't that the
Ma'am, wait lang po ma'am. Okay na po ba kayo?
Hindi talaga ako okay. Kasi nahihiya ako sa aking sarili, sa inyong mga kaklase. At ganito ang aking boses.
Ma'am, gusto ko lang po sana mag-sorry na po para sa kanila. Kung ano po yung ginawa nila po sa'yo, sa pag-date ko nila sa'yo, which is mali-mali po yung ginawa nila kasi kahit di naman po ako ito, nasa partner po ako sa gusto ko lang po sa akin tanong kung bakit ganyan po yung action.
Ganito talaga kasi ang kinalakihan kong lingwahe. At nahihiya ako alam ko sa sarili ko na pangit ang aking boses.
Hindi po, sorry po. Hindi po ma'am. Eh ma'am, ano po yung pwede kong itawag sa inyo ma'am?
Ma'am na lang ang tawag mo sa akin. Kasi I'm actually a ladyboy.
Okay po. Sige po, nabawasan lang po.
Basta kayo.
Ayos na naman. Okay, sige.
Ano meron?
Ano? Trip mo? Ha? Isa pa, hindi ko narinig.
Fight ko siya, pre.
Ginagamit mo lang naman siya para ma-deploy ka sa ibang bansa, di ba?
Pre, punit ito kung ano po siya ako, pre. Promise ka, pre. Promise, pre, kahit ano mangyari, pre. Laban ko sa kanila.
Alam na namin yan, alam na namin yan.
Pero bumulol sa kanila, pre. Mahal ko si Angela.
Tara na nga, bakit tayo? Kasi tayo, umuulan na oh. Pangit na kasi ng trip ko eh.
Good morning, everyone. I am here again, and this is our day 2 of the lecture of learning how American culture works. Do you guys remember what we tackled yesterday? Don't you guys understand what you guys are doing?
I understand it now, bro. I need this right.
No! You guys are so very rude. Sit down, sit down. Learning American culture is important for OFW. So they can communicate better. Adjust to work fast and avoid misunderstanding. And feel more comfortable and living in the US. Don't you guys understand this? You guys are so very rude. I'm so tired of this. Really?
The next day.
Laro. Laro. Ang dali mo.
Ano pre? Anong plano natin mamaya pre? Ilalaro tayo.
5 man tayo, 5 man.
Ilang stars ang kukunin natin?
Sino?
10? Hindi. Unti lang yung 10 pre. Kaya natin din.
Ako 20 siguro.
20. We go higher pre. Higher.
Babawin tayo star pro.
Higher pre. I-legend ba lang ako
Win
eh.
trade.
Uy,
Yung si Ezra.
Ezra! Kumusta pre? Oo nga pala.
Lang.
Ano nangyari sa'yo nung nakaraan?
Ha?
Oo nga. Tagal mo umika hapon ah.
Pre, dami nangyari pre. Nag-crash out si Ma'am Angela at saka Michael. Hindi nila
Ha?
kinaya pre.
Anyari ba?
Oo, pre. Nagalit si Angela.
Hindi nila kinaya yung charisma ko pre. Pero ito,
Teka, pag-ulan sila Ma'am Angela at Michael, pre.
ganito kasi yan. It all starts with... Ganun pre. Diba?
Ha? Ano?
Oh, pre.
Teka, bakit naman kasi ginagawa yan?
Ha?
Alam nyo ba, di ko na talaga kaya eh. una pa lang di ko na talaga gusto ugali ninyo. Nakikisama na lang talaga ako sa inyo. Haven't you thought about considering Ma'am Angela's feelings for once? Kaya siya sa bansa at bago lang siya dito sa Pinas. Isa rin siyang OFW, katulad natin sa hinaharap. For sure pre, nag-aral at nagsumikap yan araw at gabi para lang sa atin, para lang magpatuturo dito sa atin pre. Kaya ba yung gusto niyo mangyari kapag kayo na yung umalis?
OFW man o hindi, wala akong pakialam. Ezra, ang akin lang naman. Mas mabuti na iba yung magturo sa atin kaysa dun sa bading na yun.
Uy, ano ba yung sinasabi mo, Elijah? Tama na. Nag-aaway kayo, pre. Tsaka, tama naman kasi si Ezra eh. Matatanda na tayo, pre. Elijah, kayang-kaya natin sunusunan yan. Napakamabalan tayo. Titiisin lang natin, pre, kahit ano na ayaw mo sa bading, pre. Pero, ano, pensa no? 2025 na, pre. Homophobic pa rin ba tayo? Tsaka, kailangan natin to. Matatanda na nga tayo, may pamilya na tayo. May kailangan tayong buhayin. Sorry lang naman tayo, tatanggapin natin kung ano siya eh. Mahirap ba yun?
Ano ba pinagsasabi mo? Nalasan na ba utak nyo? Basta ako, ayoko.
Uy,
Huwag nyo nakakisali sa mga ginagawa nyo, bahala kayo.
sorry lang tayo. Uy. Good day. Yeah.
Hindi ko na talaga kaya ang paglalait ng mga kaklase mo. Hindi ko na kaya magstay doon.
Ma'am, okay lang po yan, ma'am. Kasi dapat po, ano lang po kayo, maging normalization lang po yan. Kasi syempre, lagi naman po talagang ganun, di ba? Okay lang po yan, ma'am.
Salamat ha. Lagi ka nasa tabi ko pag ako'y nalulungkot. Ha? Teka lang. Bakit ka ba laging nasa tabi ko? Kung ako'y nalulungkot, nandito ka sa tabi ko. Gusto ko ba sa akin?
Mahal kita, ma'am. Gusto kita. Gusto Jong, hindi naman talaga kayang
Good morning, everyone. This is your certificate that this is the proof that you guys passes in my lecture. The learning what American culture is. Firstly, Ezra. Second, Mateo. And lastly, Michael.
Uy, Michael.
Angela, thank you for everything. Even though I did everything to you, I did bad things yet, still gave me this. Yes. Yes. You're welcome.
What are you doing tomorrow?
Okay, go ahead.
About this vacation. You know what I'm going to do? First thing first, I'm going to
Angela! Angela!
Mayakap kang muli, di maaari. Ngayon ay wala nang init. Di na